Joe Reese with Honest Abe Roofing, Terre Haute, Indiana, on a house up here in Robinson. This is a very common problem we're seeing here today from improper venting. The house isn't breathing and the roof is cooking off prematurely. Look at that, you can see this roof is about 15 years old approximately by the homeowner's estimates. And it's just been overcooked and lost all of its granular adhesion due to improper venting. You could be experiencing these exact same problems with your roof without using proper ridge venting. If you experience these problems or have questions about how your house is vented or if it is venting properly, again, feel free to call us at Honest Abe Roofing or go online and request a inspection at honestaberoofing.com. Thanks.